y square equal to 4x. It's a point on the parabola. Less than means inside. So less than or equal to means either on the parabola or inside the parabola. So after that, he given xy x minus 1, x minus 3 by x minus 4. Here there are two different variables. Assume y greater than 0. Then you have x minus 3, x minus 4 negative, which implies negative. So whole square is anyhow either positive or equal to 0. So actually at x equal to 3 and 4, you get asymptote by using the wavy curve, where this inequality satisfies all our odd powers of linear functions. Negative means in 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. Y less than 0 implies the same thing will be greater than 0. Here this one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, where it is greater than 0 means in this area, it is greater. Now here he told x less than 4. 3. So where it is negative 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. And in another region, it is positive. But this part, if you consider here, this part because symmetric about x-axis, it is nothing but area under the curve, this part finally. So that area will be 0 to 4. Y here is y square is 4x. 0 to 4 root x dx. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 between 0 to 4. 4 power 3 by 2 minus 0. 2 square 32 by 3 square units. Dy by dx is equal to tan x by sin x 1 by cos x minus sin x by cos x, which is tan x plus y by sin x 1 minus sin square x by cos x. Tan x plus y by here tan x into cos square x. dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos square x plus y by tan x into cos square x. dy by dx minus 1 by tan x into cos square x of y equal to secant square x. P of x here is minus tan x 1 by cos square is secant square x. Integral p dx is tan x if you take it as t, it is minus log t. E power integral p dx is log t power minus 1, 1 by t. T here is tan x, which is cot x. So linear differential equation solution is p dx into dx plus y cot x. Q here is cot x. I can write cos by sine plus cos and secant get cancelled. 1 by sin x cos x dx plus. So here it is y cot x is equal to integral 2 by 2 sin x cos x dx 2 times cosecant 2x dx plus integral cosecant x is log cosecant 2x minus cos 2x by 2 plus log of cosecant 2x minus cos 2x plus when x is pi by 4, it is 0. Log cosecant 90 cot 2 into 45, c becomes 0. Then y cot 2x is log cosecant 2x minus cot 2x. So here when he is asking y value at pi by 3, x is 60 cot 120, cot 180 minus 60 log cosecant 2 into 60 cosecant 120 minus cot 2 by root 3 cot 120 is cot 180 minus 60. So it is log root 3. Y here is minus root 3 log of root 3 plus c. So here it is cot x. So cot 45 is 1. So you get here y of 1 is 2. So c becomes 2. So Here it is cortex, which is 2. Part 30 will be how much? X is what he is asking. 60. So log root 3 plus 2. So y will be root 3 into 2 plus log. Here it is system of equations has infinitely many solutions. Here it is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 4, 2 alpha 3 5, 3 minus 1 beta 3 has infinite solutions. So if it is an augmented matrix, rank of A, rank of AD is less than n, number of solutions are infinite. So here it is, R2 is replaced by R3 is replaced by, so then we get here 1 minus 2, 1 minus 4, alpha plus 4, 3 minus 2, here 5 plus 8, 13, 0, 5, beta minus 3, 3 plus 12, 15. So further, what I am doing to make it as 0, R3 is replaced by 5 times R2. Here it is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 4, alpha plus 4, 1, 13, 0. Here alpha plus 4 into beta minus 3, minus 5, 15 times alpha plus 4, minus 65. So in case alpha plus beta minus 3 minus 5 0 and 15 times alpha plus 4 minus 65 0, then you have here rank of A is to rank of augmented matrix will be here 3 alpha is equal to 1, alpha is 1 by 3. So 13 by 3 into beta minus 3 here is 5. So beta minus 3, beta here is so here you get the 54 by 30. Then here you have 12 alpha plus 13 beta. Alpha is 1 by 3. Beta is 54 by 13. So 58 is the answer. 3 rotten apples are accidentally rotten apples are 3 mixed with 15 good apples. Assuming random variable x here is defined as number of rotten apples in a, so actually there are three apples. In a draw of two apples, all are good apples, then rotten apples are zero. One of them is rotten apple. Maybe both apples are rotten. So to find variance, you have to find a distribution table where x equal to x corresponding probability when both apples are not rotten, they are good. Good are 15. 15 C2 by 18 C2. One of them is good. That can be, one is obviously bad. So here how many apples are drawn? Two apples are drawn. So one of them is good. One of them is bad. That is 3C1 into 15C1 by 18C2. Here both apple are rotten. 3C2 by 18C2. 15C2 by 18C2. You get what are 35 by 51. 3C1 into 15C1 by 3 into 15 by 18 into 17 by 2. Here it is 5 by 17. So two of them are good. So here it is 15 into 14 by the last one. 3C2 by 18C2. It's 1 by 51. So then here 35 by 51. 5 by 17, 1 by 51. So variance here is sigma xi square 4 into 1 by 15. This is sigma xi square into probabilities. 20 by 15 plus 4, 19 by 15. So mean here is 0 plus 2 by 51. So mean here is sigma xi by so it is 15 by 51, 17 by 50. So variance is sigma xi square p of x equal to xi 19 by 51, 17 by 51. So 19 by 51 minus 1 by 9. So 1 by 3, 19 by 17 5740 by 153. Here, sum of all coefficients obtained by substituting x as 1. It's 1. So, which implies A here is 1. B here is 0 to x log of 1 plus t by t power 24 plus 1 by x squared. Limit extends to 0, x derivative plus 1 by, so limit extends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x power 2020 plus 1 to x. Then we substitute 0, which is same as log of 1 plus x by 2x because this approaches 1. Again 0 by 0, we get 1 by 1 plus x, which we get half. So A is 1, B is half. We told 2bx square plus ax plus 4 0. B is half. We value x plus 4 0. We get x square plus x plus 4 0. He told if the equation has a common root, cx square plus dx plus t, these two have a common root, then c by 1, e by 4. C is what is the ratio he is asking? D is to C is to E, which is E by 4, E by 4 is to E, which is 1 is to 1 is to 4. In this problem, 2 marbles are drawn in succession from 10 red, 30 white, 20 blue, 15 orange, with replacement being made after each drawing. Probably that first drawn marble is red. So he didn't draw at a time. He drawn 2 balls, one after another. First is red. How many red? 10 reds were there out of 35, 65, 75. And with replacement. And drawn is again replaced. Again 75 balls are there. Again one is drawn. And the second one is white. One target. Scored by 7. 22nd one, 0 less than C less than B less than A. The equation what A given is C plus C minus 2B 0. Such a big expression, careful observation, 2A, adding all the coefficients, we get A plus A 2A minus 2, like that. Put x is 1. f of 1 is 0. So which implies x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Or one root is 1. So let us say beta is 1. Alpha beta will be c plus a minus 2b by a plus b. So which implies alpha is equal to c plus a minus 2b by, he told alpha is in minus 1 to 0. C plus a minus 2b by, so from here I can say c plus a minus 2b by a plus b minus 2c greater than minus 1. So c plus a minus 2b by a plus b minus 2c greater than 0. C plus a minus 2b a plus b minus 2c by a plus b minus 2c greater than 0. So here it is 2a minus b minus c by a plus b minus 2c is greater than 0. Any more information? B cannot be, we have to obtain a relation, and C less than B less than A. Mm, that means C is less than A, B is less than A, B plus C is less than 2A. Then B plus C minus 2A is negative. 2A minus B minus C is positive, which implies A plus B minus 2C is positive. A plus B by 2 is greater than C. So that means geometric mean is greater than geometric mean. That means A plus C by 2 is greater than B, but here B is greater than, so which is not possible. Similarly, if alpha lies between 0 and 1, C plus A minus 2B by A plus B minus 2C, C plus A minus 2B is greater than 0, which is C plus A by 2 is greater than B. B is less than A plus C by 2. So from here also we can say B is the geometric means root AC. Here there is a possibility because geometric mean is less than, may be possible. That means fourth option is correct. Here Q is here line be given as x minus 0 by 1, z minus 1 by 0. Here is a point, foot of the perpendicular we require. R, here it is 1. Direction ratios of PF will be R minus C, R minus C, 1 minus C. This line DRs are DRs of line L, 1, 1, 0. PF is perpendicular to L. r minus a is equal to 0. 2r is to a, r here is a. So foot of the perpendicular a1. So x here is 1, z plus 1 is 0. So now foot of perpendicular of P on this line L2 here is say r minus 1. So then QF drs r minus a minus r minus a minus 1 minus a. So it is perpendicular to line whose drs are this r minus a plus r plus a equal to 0. 2r is 0. R here is 0. Then 0, 0 minus 1. So 1 foot of the perpendicular is here A1. Other foot of the perpendicular is this. And he told P comma Q. Another foot of the perpendicular is A1. So this is Q. This is R. P here is A. Q here is A1. R is 0, 0 minus. So angle QPR is 90 degrees. A1 0, 0 minus. Three-phase perpendicular to PR. PR here is 0, 0, 1 minus C. So from here, 1 minus C squared 0. A is plus or minus. So 12A square he is asking. 12 is the answer. Here, foci of hyperbola here D is more than A. So A square is this 25 into 1 minus C square. A square here is 16 by 25. E here is 4.5. Since B is dominating, focus will be here. 0 comma plus or minus is B1, A1 is 4. And A1 here is 15 by 8 times eccentricity 4 by 5. That is 3 by 2. V1 into 3 by 2 is 4. V1 here is 8 by 3. So A square is eccentricity of hyperbola minus 1. So eccentricity 9 by 4 minus 1, that of 5 by 4, 80 by 1. And here, once hyperbola is here, focal distance SP is EPM. PM here is y1 minus uh, v by e, which is e by 1 minus p. So eccentricity is 3 by 2. Y coordinate 14 by 5, 2 by 5. So here it is 21 by 5. So 14 by 1 is 14 by 3, sorry. 3 get cancelled. 7 of 2 by 5 minus 8 by 3. Here it is. These are vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. A coordinates alpha, beta. C coordinates gamma, delta. And the points A and C lie on. So alpha, beta lies on. Dy here is 2x plus 1 to alpha plus 1. And gamma delta also lies. 3y here is 2x plus 1. So 3 delta is 2 gamma plus 1. C1, C2, and here the midpoint of dB is 1 plus 1 by 2, which is 1 comma 1. Midpoint of AC is alpha plus gamma by 2, beta plus delta by 2. So here alpha plus gamma is 2, beta plus delta by 2 is this. So 2 times alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. So we get here 8. Here f dash 1 means limit extends to 1 plus. So right derivative, sorry. F dash 1 is, so for 1, how function is defined? It's a derivative of a function at x equal to 1. Here y is f of x, 1 plus x by 2 plus x whole power 1 by x. Take log both sides. Log of log y here is log of 1 plus x minus, so 1 by y, 1 by 1 plus x minus, plus log of 1 plus x by 2 plus x. 1 by x derivative is this. So dy by dx at 1. log 2 by 3, so which is 1 by 6 minus log 2 by 3. dy by dx is y here is y means at 1, f of 1 into 1 by 6 minus log 2 by 3. F of 1 means here it is 2 by 3 power 1 by 1. 2 by 3 into log 1 by 9 minus 2/3 log 2 by 3. And minus 1 means g of x is a linear function. Linear means first degree for x less than 0. So f of minus 1 is g of minus 1 minus a plus b. So here it is. He told function is continuous at 0. 0 plus fx is 0 minus fx. 0 plus means here limit extends to 0 plus 2 plus x power 1 by x. It is 1 by 2 power infinity. 0 minus means g of 0, which is g of 0 is equal to 0. That is, here you'll have a minus g of x means here it is a into 0 plus b. We get b as 0. Once b as 0, what he is asking g of 3. So g of 3 will be 3a plus b. B is 0. 3 times 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 log 2 by 3. This is the answer. Here it is 0 to pi by 2 sine 2x cos 11x by 2 under root 1 plus cos power 5 by 2x dx. 1 plus cos 5 by 2x is t square. 5 by 2 cos 3 by 2x minus sin x dx is 2t dt. Here it is sin 2x cos 11x by 2. This in place of dx, 2t dt by 5 by 2 cos power 3 by 2x minus sin x into root t square. So here further simplification. Is it cos power 11x by 2? Here it is cos power 11 by 2x. Then you will have 4 by 5 Sin 2x cos 11 by 2 minus 3 by 8 by 2 4x minus sin x 2t square dt. So minus 4 by 5 2 sin x cos power 5x minus sin x into 2t square. So here it is 16 by 5 t square dt. 525. Here it is after simplification we got minus 16 by 5 cos power 5x t square dt. So once here we assumed cos power 5 by 2 x as t square when x is 0. T square is when x is pi by 2 cos 91. And you get root 2 to 1 t square cos power 5 by 2 x is t square minus 1. So 5x means whole square dt. So it is 105 into minus 16 t square into 2t square. So here it is minus 1680 t power 6 plus t square minus 2t power 4 dt. T cube by 3 minus 2t power 5 by 5 between root 2 and 1. So this patient simplification will give us finally 176 root 2 minus 64. And here is 176. This one, f of 1 minus x is 4 power 1 by 4 power x, 4 by 4 power x plus 2. 4 into 4 plus 2 into 4 power x. So f of x plus f of 1 minus x. 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2 plus 2 by 2 plus 4 power x, which is 1. So here m is, that means integral a to b of x dx is integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. If a to f of minus a is a to f of 1 minus a, adding here f a plus f of 1 minus a minus x. Here 1 minus x, 1 minus 1 minus x is x. Everything is 1. 1 minus 6 sine power 4 and this is here. So f to f of 1 minus a x times sine power 4 x into this whole thing is n. It is n, it is m 2n is n. He told alpha n is beta n. Alpha is 2, beta is 1. Here it is. Alpha denotes number of solutions of the equation 1 minus I power x. So here 1 minus I is root of whole power x is 2 power x. 2 power x by 2 is 2 power x, which implies x is 0. It is only one solution, which implies alpha is 1. So here z is root pi plus I, root pi minus I by 1 plus I whole power 4, pi minus I square by root pi plus I plus root pi I square. Here it is I square is minus 1, pi by 4 times 1 plus I whole square, 2 times pi plus 1 by I square plus 2I whole square, which is pi by 4 into 2 by I, which is 2 pi I. So argument of z is argument of 2 pi I. So beta is mod z by argument of z. Mod z is 2 pi I by pi by 2, which is 4 pi. So alpha comma beta here is 1 comma 4. So distance from point to the line 4 plus 12 minus 7 by 16 plus 9, 16 4x minus 12, 15 by 3, which is 15 by 5.